Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install MLB application in your laptop. So unfortunately there is no direct way because the application doesn't have any version for laptops or PCs. So what you are going to do is you open your browser and search for MLB, then you will find the official website. Just click here. And then now I will show you the easiest step. What you can do is you just click on the three dots. Of course, you can log into your account so that you do it only once. Then you click on the three dots here. Then you are going to scroll down and you go to cast, save and share. And then as you can see, there is the option install page as app. You just click here. You can name it as you want. Then you just click install. And as you can see here, now we have our application mlb.com. It is here and we can find it when we go back here. As you can see, MLB the official. Once you click, you will find yourself here, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.